Hey Slay Bays, we're back with another video. You know I like to jump right into it. So today we're going to be talking about, boom, my new Ikea shelf. So originally I had my purses on a bookshelf from Walmart, which I'll show a part or clip or something like that, my before picture before I got this layout. But I had got just a regular bookshelf from Walmart. Cost about $30. Because I was kind of on a budget, but I needed to shelve my purses because it was just in a big pile. Like I said, I'm gonna try to post pictures in the video here, whatever. So I had to upgrade, and I had bought some more shoes, and so I needed to upgrade how I displayed my stuff. So I have the PAX frame from Ikea. It is 79 inches tall, and I want to say 39 inches in length, if I'm saying that, because I don't think it's in width. But I know the measurements is, I think it's 39, 22, 79 in that ballpark range. It'd be like some halves and eighths and stuff like that with it. But I want to say it's 39, 22, 79. Now, if you have a taller ceiling, you can get the 92, I believe it is, or it's something in the 90s that goes all the way to the ceiling. That's for somebody that has a higher ceiling. So I most definitely can tell the difference as far as material. The material is way heavier. It does say to use a two-person. I actually was able to do it by myself. I ain't got these big old arms and back for nothing. And I was able to build this myself. I actually have one in my salon too. And I'm going to put some clips in of certain details about the directions with Ikea. Ikea's directions suck. I can't say it. Suck there. Yeah, like when I say suck, there's no, like with the shelf from Walmart, each part had like a label. It had like A, B, C, and D. Connect A to B, C to D, stuff like that. Ikea, no. You have to really pay attention to detail, or you'll be taking stuff apart or putting it back on. So like one of the ones that I would say to pay attention to if you're doing this is like, okay, here. Okay, this one in particular. So you see, it just show you what to do. Right? It don't say where nothing goes. It's damn near say figure it out yourself. So one thing that I know to pay attention to is here. Right here, if you can see. I'm gonna try to, hold on, wrong camera. It's like a little ledge. It's a ledge here, and it's a ledge here. And it's telling you to make sure these ledges are not facing each other. Like, looking at it firsthand, I wouldn't have paid attention to that. I think the first time I did it, I didn't pay attention to that. So that was one thing, it's little details like that you don't know to look at. Because you just be thinking like, oh, this got to be easy, both sides, whatever. But yeah, so, and then you're supposed to have it laid out facing you as if it's facing, I may be saying this all wrong, but laid out in front of you like this paper. Boom, there you go. That was one of the details. So look at the detail is what I can say. Like I put one together before, so the second time around, it was a little faster. But the ledges is the main thing I say pay attention to. It was one more thing I said pay attention to. And that's the same thing with this one. When you get to the top and bottom part, it's the same thing. It's telling you, so this ledge is supposed to be up instead of down or something like that. The ledges is what's going to guide you. So pay attention to these details on here because ain't no directions. It's not say screw here, A to B, C to D, like none of that's there. That's the only complaint I think I got with this Ikea drawer. Pack system is there. I think that's why people say it's hard to put Ikea stuff together because the directions suck. And so I got the PAX frame and then I have 3 shelves and the shelves are just as long. So the bookshelf shelves are, I want to say 13. Yes, bookshelf shelves are 13 inches this way. And the PAX is 22. So that's double the space. So where instead of me able to only put one pair of shoes, I could put my shoes and my purse, which I really love. And my friend Shanice helped me color coordinate everything so it can just have a nice look. Because I was tired of doing my backdrops. And I wanted my room to look aesthetically pleasing, if I'm saying that right, to the eye. So I can just set up and record whenever. So I'm still working on things. I want an Alex drawer here for Miss Homegirl back here. But that one was $150 for that. And I'm actually scared to put that together because that's way more stuff. But I actually have another cabinet I'm going to put up. I don't think I'm recording because, yeah, it's a lot. And to try to show y'all, it's a lot. But if you need help putting it together, please don't hesitate to email me. I surely can try to help. They have some videos as well where they actually show you how you put it all together, but I don't think I'm the best to try to put it together. I do have a drill. You will need a drill. So I'll say that to begin with. You will need a drill. I bought this little small drill set. It probably cost me like $30, $40. And it's really been coming in handy because it comes with all different size, what is it called? Wrenches and screwdrivers and nits. It come with a whole bunch of stuff that my little unhandy ass don't have no. Look, like I said, I use one little part that come in and the drill, I charge it and I use it. So like I said, it says to do 2 people. If you feel like you ain't got no strength, because the biggest thing is lifting it up is where you need your strength. So the clearance for this is 82 inches. You need at least 82 inches of ceiling to be able to tilt it up. If you don't have 82 inches of clearance, you need to build it standing up. So again, even though it's 79 inches, you need some extra oomph in the, at the top to be able to swing up. So if you don't have 82 inches from top to bottom, you have to build it standing up. And again, it's 79 inches. So those are the key things. And then for my shelving, because of my handles to my purse, I did like every 12 notches pretty much, except for the bottom one. So the first 2 I counted to 12 and I put a shelf, counted to 12, put a shelf. And then the bottom ones, I just split it half because I had a couple purses where the handle stood a little taller. So I pretty much put it together according to the purse so they can stand up the best way they can. Like some of them are not always standing, but they look better than what they did. So I hope you guys like this. If you guys want more videos like this or whatever y'all want me to do, I'm open to it. Like, I'm ready. I'm enjoying my YouTube career. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate you watching these videos, liking and subscribing. And I'm just trying to be for the people. So y'all let me know what y'all like, what y'all don't like. I'm good on constructive criticism. Just don't be rude. And let's do this. Let's do stuff. Like I said, I got this in the shop. Now it's at my house, and I'm finna build another one. Because I still got some purses and shoes. Because as you can see, there's no gym shoes over there, and I got a lot of gym shoes. So still putting stuff together. So I will show you guys the end result. And you guys have a great night or day. Thanks for watching.